Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 is your ultimate solution to staying charged on the go. This incredible portable charger packs a massive 20,000 milliamp hours, meaning it can juice up your iPhone over 6 times before needing a recharge itself. Imagine days of power for all your devices without searching for an outlet. Perfect for travel, camping, or just busy everyday life. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge speed. This isn't just a generic power bank. It's a smart charger optimizing every charge, protecting your valuable electronics. Got multiple gadgets? Its dual USB ports let you power up 2 devices simultaneously, so you and a friend can stay connected. Anker is renowned for its reliability and premium build quality, making this a durable investment for your essential electronics. If you're looking to buy a powerful and dependable power bank, check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000. The Amazon link is in the description below. For anyone searching for the best portable charger in 2025 that won't let you down, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute game changer. Don't get caught with a dead battery again. Grab yours via the link and power up your life.